My name is Arvinder. This is my assignment one, map coloring one. Here I am using Germany map as my problem. Germany has 16 states. So in the first line of the code, we import various libraries such as GeoPanda for loading the map of the Germany, Matplotlib for plotting the map of the Germany, then tick enter to use which is basically to use the graphical user interface for the user. After that, we create a variable Germany map to read our shape file of the Germany. Then we create a library which we store in the Germany states and each states. I describe each states with their neighboring states so that no two states have the similar color coordination, and then we create a function called isValid to check if the current color assignment is valid. Then we use a for loop. In the for loop we use if condition to checking if the neighbor has already been assigned the same color or not. If it assigned the same color, it will return false, otherwise it return true. Then we use a function for the backtracking color Germany. Here to assign color to the state. Basically, if we assign colors to all state, return the final color assignment to all here, and then we get the list of all the states in the Germany. Then we get current state that we are trying to color. Then we use a for loop to assigning each color for the available list of colors to the current state. And then we use a if condition to check the color is valid for the current state or not. Then we assign the color, recursively try to assign color to the next state here. And then if a result is found to be valid, then we return the result. Otherwise, we backtrack by removing the current color. And if no valid color can be assigned to the current state, then we return onto the trigger backtracking. Then we create a function solve map coloring by assigning a empty dictionary to store the color assignment for each state. Then we create a function to plot a color map. Here we create a copy of the Germany map to avoid modifying the original data. Then we create a figure and axis for the plot with the specified figure sizes. Then we plot the map using the color column to fill each state with the assigned values, and then we create boundaries of the state in the black for better visibility. Then we use for loop to annotate the state name on the map. Then we use centroid to calculate the centroid each state of the place to text label. Then we use if else statement because Berlin is basically inside one of the state of the Germany. So that's why we use this condition over here so that no two names can overlap each other. Then we use this. After that, we use the Tkinter library to create a GUI interface for the user interaction. Let's Here we can select the country. Here in this case, we can only select Germany as our country. Then we give color to our map. So if we give three colors, it will show an error because there are some states which are resides with many states like four, so we have to give at least four colors to our state. Let's try it again. Blue, green, purple. So we found our solution here. are our Germany map with no neighbor, where no two neighbor has the same color. So in this case, we have to use four colors. And here is my report for my assignment. First, I introduce abstract, then introduction, then experimental setup, then pseudocode for this assignment, then user interaction, how the user can interact with it, then results and discussion, like what challenges or error can be found if we give wrong colors or not more than no, at least we have to give at least four colors. So likewise, so this is our final output. Here's his report.